Okay, so now let us look at adding a confirmation message to our Google form. So when someone fills this form, you can add a message. So when they are done submitting the form, that message shows and says, "Okay, thank you for taking this survey," or "Thank you for filling this form. Now this is what to do. This is what to expect," and all of that. So when I submitted this response here, there's a default confirmation message, but we are going to change that now. So to do that, you go back to settings. You see it here, this is the third tab. You go back to settings and then you come to presentation, and then you will see confirmation message here. That is, after submission you see confirmation message, so you will edit that. And the default confirmation message is your response has been recorded. So we'll just change that and we'll write, "Thank you for filling this form. We will get back to you shortly." All right, so we'll just leave it this way. "Thank you for filling this form. We'll get back to you shortly." You can also add a link if you want them to to head somewhere. Say you can say, "Click here to proceed," and then you put www dot whatever. Any link here. We're just using this as an example. So if you want them to be able to submit another response, you can leave this is toggled on. But then if you do not want to show a link to submit another response, you can toggle it off. So it will just be the confirmation message, "Thank you for filling this form. We'll get back to you shortly. Click here to proceed, www.youtube.com." But then when they are done filling this form, you want them to be able to submit another response, you can toggle this on, and then there will be a link beneath this confirmation message. It will say, "Submit another response." That will be that link. So now that we've done this, let us preview, and then let us submit. All right, let us fill the form again. All right, so now let us submit this form and then let us see the response. Okay, now, all right, so it says, "Thank you for filling this form. We'll get back to you shortly. Click here to proceed, www.youtube.com." All right, so we toggled that button on, so that's why we are seeing this "Submit another response" here. So if you do not want to add this, you can go disable it. Sorry, you come here, come back to settings, and then come back to presentation. This is presentation, and then you disable it. So when you disable it, that "Submit another response" will not be there. All right, so that is it. That is how to add a confirmation message to your Google Forms.